Hi you guys, so I have another one pan meal that I would love to share, and this one is juicy pork tenderloin with delicious vegetables served alongside. So if you guys want to learn how to recreate this meal, just go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, so first things first, we want to go ahead and clean up our meat. This pork tenderloin is pretty lean, so it doesn't have a lot of fat on it, but the one thing that I really wanted to make sure to get off is that silver skin because it is pretty tough. Alright, so after I am done with that, I'm going to go ahead and season up my meat. And I'm just going to be using some salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. So I'm going to go ahead and flip my meat over and season the other side with those same seasonings. Alright, so once that is done, I'm going to go ahead and drizzle with a little bit of olive oil and toss those the olive oil and the seasonings all together on that meat there, just like so. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and transfer that to the stove and sear my pork tenderloin on all sides until it gets nice and crusty and brown, just like that. And this process only takes a couple minutes per side. We're not going to cook the pork all the way through on the stove. We just want to get that nice golden brown crust on all the sides. And as you can see, I have a bowl of veggies here. I have some par-cooked potatoes that I zapped in the microwave for a few minutes to get them fork tender. And then I have some asparagus, some mushrooms, some onions, some rosemary, and thyme. And I'm just putting all those seasonings that I put on the pork before, I'm putting that on my veggies as well. So I'm giving that a good mix until everything is nice and combined. And then I'm going to transfer that into my cast iron skillet alongside my pork tenderloin. So a good rule of thumb when cooking pork tenderloin or pork in general is 25 minutes per pound or until it reaches an internal temperature of 150 degrees. I end up cooking mine for 25 minutes in a 350-degree oven, and you guys see me using a digital thermometer there, just making sure that my internal temperature is correct because you definitely don't want to eat undercooked pork and you don't want to overcook it as well. So here I'm just making a garlic herb butter to pair up with my pork. So I just zap that in the microwave for about 10 to 15 seconds. So I let my pork rest for 10 minutes and now I'm going to go ahead and slice it up. So now we're going to go ahead and transfer our pork back into the cast iron skillet. And as you can see here, there's some delicious gravy at the bottom. So that pork is just going to continue to soak up all of those delicious flavors. And now we're going to go ahead and drizzle on our delicious garlic herb butter over the top. So good. And there you have it, you guys. Another easy and delicious one-pan meal cooked in my beloved cast iron skillet. You guys know I love my cast iron. But yeah, you guys, this was easy. It was so good. My family thoroughly enjoyed it. Even my 6-year-old was asking for seconds because he loved it so much. I hope you guys give this a try. I hope you love it just as much as me and my family did. You know, I thank you guys always for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure that you give me a thumbs up. If you want to see future content from me, make sure that you subscribe and hit that notification bell. And until then, I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye.